Dear students, I am going to explain question answers of chapter 3 Glimpses of the Past. The first question is, do you think the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the events of 1757? Answer, yes. The Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the events of 1757. Short-sighted means the Indian princes were not able to think carefully about the consequences or result of events of 1757. What happened in 1757? The British East India Company spread its power throughout the country. They could not estimate, the Indian princes could not make out the motives of the British. Question 2. How did the East India Company subdue the Indian princes? Subdue means suppress. Answer. The Indian princes were constantly at war with each other. They called the English merchants to help them in their fights. The people had no peace due to such constant fights. The British supported one Indian prince to finish the other. They used the policy of divide and rule. Then the rivalry helped the East India Company subdue the Indian princes one by one. The rivalry, the enmity among these princes helped the British East India Company to suppress the Indian princes one by one. As a result, power passed on to their hands. Question 3. Quote the words used by Ram Mohan Roy to say that every religion teaches the same principles. Answer. According to Roy, cows are of different colors, but the color of their milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every religion is the same. It means Ram Mohan Roy took the example of a cow. He said that no matter what color a cow is, the milk is always white. Similarly, different religious leaders may sound different, but the real meaning and lesson from them is always the same. Question 4. In what ways did the British officers exploit Indians? The British officers exploited Indians in many ways. First, they imposed heavy taxes on Indian farmers. British officers increased taxes on farmers. If they were not able to pay, they were forced to leave their fields. Then, they reduced import duty on goods manufactured in England and imported to India. British reduced import duty to help British goods get a hold on the Indian market. Then, the Britishers cut the thumbs of expert artisans. Artisans means skilled workers. The expert artisans of India worked so well that there was no parallel to their creation. So to make them incapable of doing their work, the Britishers cut the thumbs of artisans. Question 5. Name these people. A. The ruler who fought pitched battles against the British and died fighting. There were many rulers who fought pitched battles. Pitched battles means a battle in which time and place is decided beforehand. So you can see here two examples are there, Kunwar Singh and Tipu Sultan. You can write one. B. The person who wanted to reform the society. Who was he? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He is also called modern man of India. C. The person who recommended the introduction of English education in India. Answer. Lord Macaulay. D. Two popular leaders who led the revolt. Answer. Peshwa Nana Saheb, Azimullah Khan. They took active part in revolt of 1857. That's all for today. Thank you.